I love exfoliation, thus, I love scrubs. And Good Vibe scrubs are my favorite because it comes with different variant, different range, and different flavors, different colors. So I am very fond of Good Vibes scrubs. So this is the cherry blossom scrub from Good Vibes. It has no paraben, no sulfate, and it's cruelty free. Very good thing about Good Vibes. Its MRP is rupees 195, but you will get a very good discount because there's always sale and something going on purple.com from where I bought this. Now let's come to that what it claims. It cleanses and exfoliates the skin. This promotes smooth and supple skin by repairing the skin cells. Crafted with passion, skill, fresh ingredient, and skin expertise to thoroughly yet gently exfoliate your skin. After all, in life, all you ever need is love, freshness on your skin, and good vibes. So, this particular scrub is highly recommended for dullness, pigmentation, and inflamed skin. Now, as you can see that I'm opening its tub, you will see the packaging is golden in color from top and bottom is nice plastic material. I love the packaging how it comes because it's nice jar where it is very useful for traveling as well. There's some plate kind of thing inside, and you can see the quantity and the quality looks amazing. It's very creamy, it's very textury. I love its granules because after application you will get a very good glow. As you can see the close up of this creamy scrub is amazing, and I really recommend this to you all people who just wanted to try a different scrub and they are searching for some other different scrub which gives a nice glow, gives which does a jobs of cleansing the skin and just removing blackhead and whiteheads. I personally have so many whitehead and blackheads. It removes it to the some extent, but जो cleanup का job होता है वो cleanup ही कर सकता है, like taking steam and removing with the blackhead removing tool and stuff like that. But I really love this scrub as well, and I really love its packaging, its texture, the way it looks, the way it feels, and obviously the price also matters. It's very pocket friendly. As it says, it's of 195 rupees, but you'll get this on purple.com on a very low price because there's always sale going on the purple.com. There are so many variant of this scrub. You can also try as many as you can because there are 9 to 11 scrubs range of it. And as you can see, I'm just checking out its thickness, its creaminess. You'll see how it smoothly glides on my skin. It's really very buttery. It's like beeswax, and it really feels very soft on my skin, and it really does its jobs. I'm just doing it so slowly and so closely that who people who are wishing to buy this, they can actually get the consistency that how it looks and how does it feels. So I hope I'm giving out my review very properly and very constantly so that you'll get my point right. I hope you like my video. I hope you like my review. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want to see my another review videos of any of the product, so you can go to my channel, visit my channel and check my playlist. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.